welcome to a new video. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're coming back, thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So today we are baking. I had one ripe banana, so I figured I use it, and yeah, we're doing that. Actually, I just started. I just put it in the oven. I'm gonna show you snippets. I'm not gonna I didn't show you, or I'm not gonna show you the whole thing because time. It's actually 9:40 right now p.m. so why am I even baking at this time? I have no idea. And if there's an echo, I'm really sorry. I don't know how to fix that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done with my banana bread. I've been wishing for it, and I haven't baked since last year, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. That's going to be interesting, and I'm going to do a little unboxing in a few seconds. Actually, let's do it now while I wait for my banana bread, because it's going to take like an hour to bake, so let's do that. Hi guys, so I'm literally just unboxing 3 things, but I wanted to share them with you. So the first one was from Takealot. First one was from Takealot. Yeah, it was okay. This one is kind of boring. I just got face masks. We all know this. And I got a watch for school, which I've been using already. Get me back on focus. So I also got a watch from Takealot. For school, it was a Casio watch. It's also not interesting, but it is an unboxing, child. So I just like the way they packaged it. I don't mind my nails. It came like that. I think this is to wipe it. I don't know. It came in this pouch thing. Obviously it came like that, child. But it's weird. I was not expecting it to be this tiny. I was not, because my instructor's watch is like a Casio watch too, so I figured let me get a Casio. It has a lot of nice features that I will need. So, and I bought this one. Obviously you buy it online, you don't see the size. I got the small one, child, but it's fine. It does the job. I have a small arm anyway, so it's okay. The next package I got was from AliExpress. It took a while, honestly. I'm still waiting for the other one to arrive. I got nails. Yay! Oh my word! Look at that. What do you mean? So I'm tired of getting my nails done because it's a waste of money if I can do that myself. I hope I can do that myself. Let me open them. But do you see that? Okay, let me get them open. And I wasn't expecting them to come in such a small packet, but it's fine. The other ones I think are plain. I'm not sure. Let me get my phone. So the ones I have, these obviously are supposed to look like this. They're supposed to look like this, which looks amazing. I just need to get the glue now. The others are plain. They're still in transit. Oh, I don't know what happened. I think they sold out because they're saying oops, unavailable. So I don't have a picture, but they're just plain nails. So I figured if I get a lot of plain, I could just put nail polish on top or buy gel. But let me see these. Child, they come with sticky, I don't know what you call them, but I guess you stick it on the nail. You don't need glue. That is awesome. But I'll get the glue anyway for them to last longer. I'll put these during the weekend because I can't put these at school. They're gonna be too long. Oh my word, how pretty is that? I'm dying. Don't mind my current nails. I'm excited to put these on. I'll probably have them on my next vlog. Probably not. I think my next vlog, please watch out if you guys like renovations. I'm doing a room renovation. I need one, so watch out for that. And the last thing that I got, I've been wanting this bag for the longest time. I've been wanting it since last year, if I'm not mistaken, last year June, I don't know, but I've been wanting it for some time now. And then I actually wanted a black one. Oh, if you watch my Christmas vlog, I bought my best friend the bag, but it was a different color. But then I also wanted it, excuse me, but I was like, no, I'm gonna get it. But then by the time I was ready to buy it for myself, black was sold out. If you know me, I'm black all the way, no questions asked. But then it was sold out. I was like, okay, fine, it's a perfect time for me to get a white bag because I don't have a white bag. Yeah, so let me show you guys. What do you mean? What do you mean? So I don't have the box because I had asked my sister to buy it for me, because it's from Aldo, by the way. It's an Aldo bag. Again, don't mind my, okay, whatever. I tried to get it in Aldo, that's in South Africa, but then they didn't have the bag because I had seen it in America. So I was like, okay, fine. And my sister was coming this side, so it was the perfect opportunity for me to get the bag. I was like, let me spoil myself, child, let me get something. So I got this bag from the chain. Like, how pretty is that? That is amazing. The detailing, child. I can't even show you. Like, it's actually long, but then you can also like wear it like this. Okay, this is a better way of showing it. I was so excited for this bag, you guys, so excited. But I wanted it in black. If it is to come back in stock in black, yeah, you can't see it, but then I'm gonna slay this bag. I need a cute ass outfit for it. I was very excited for it, still am, because I'm still gonna wear it. But yeah, that's my little unboxing. I haven't seen her since Cape Town, so that's gonna be interesting. A lot of catching up. But I just came back from school. It's Wednesday today. It's Wednesday, so let's go. Yeah, lighting sucks, so I'll take you guys out when I get to her.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on.
I find, guys, this is what we're having. I'm having some, I think it's called popola, some pizza. I don't know. Boy is having some pepperoni. I forgot the actual name, but it's pepperoni cocktail and a Long Island right there for the sis. Sis loves some Long Island. Lighting sucks, by the way, so
Yum. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along.
hello guys, can you see me? The lights are on. This road is so bumpy, child. You can even see my face. Look at those flyaways on my hair. Anyway, today's Saturday. I still need to put something on my lips. Today's Saturday. I'm going out with my sister and her friends and my cousin. It's actually my sister's birthday in a few days, so she's going. What the hell am I saying? She's going to celebrate or have a birthday lunch. It's not lunchtime, by the way, but at Views 25. So I'm taking you guys with me. Yeah, we just got to her friend's house. We just got to her friend's house. So I think we're just gonna park. And guys, excuse my lips, okay? We're just gonna park and take an Uber. And yeah. And take an Uber. I'm gonna show you my outfits. I'm gonna try to show you my outfits before the end of the day. Yeah, I was following her because I didn't know the place. There she is, right there. But yeah, we're all gonna take an Uber and go enjoy Saturday. This camera, I need to find a place for this camera because I never have a place for it. She a track star. Wait, I think I have. I'm not sure if I bought my lipstick. Oh no, I didn't. Anyway, I'll get a lipstick. I have a lip gloss. I'll be back in a few. I don't know if I'll carry my camera yet or I will just vlog on my phone. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm vlogging either way. There's Janelle. Okay guys,